9 and you didn't come on Ebro. Michael Okine, the youngest researcher in town, Yamian Chadie, Abranti is already seated in the co studio, better than car, so then come on 8 year Banyos and Yama 8 year call. See us about that, Yamia Doma say do at the moon, and so I be Kaunafia Bonebois, yeah, then come out to 10 ppm Ghana good evening at me Ejao. Producers na Philip 2 AK-47, the gunshot man, and Papa Kanchine Gubapai, I crass in Yamia Doma Kusini Papa Wia, or Besabetua, a Jume Sonafi, Asomomino, Niabua, Emanyama Etian Kuye, Imota Kwameja Kwe Champo Papai, and Sunya Meka and Sign as the El Mecrate so. Bernard Paddy Buche Ewaha, and I feel Kobe the scavenger and Sunye Hunye, and I feel right up in your Ewaha, Womina Elboama Sanchez and Kui Etian Kui, Shannon Mom say gifty and tied, one also unattached in terms of social media, or Boa MAT added us to see Kama, Oko Facebook, Abus and Pabibia, El Coso, El Senate, Shannon ACL Call. Yamina Doma Behe, Normalization Committee on Special Competitioner, one Eddie Pempem Sunamano, Eddie Omodian Etian Kugu, Yabekum Nafia, Senema ACL Coso, say Anyabia, Nepapemuno, El Senema ACL Coso, Afia Behe, Senate ACL Call, Ghana football, over Juju, El football, ma, a Jumana, and Rat question the sound community and Sabay, Yamiadoma, and then Subekum Nafia, Senate ACL Quiz as a class B, a raising consensus, or Heston and Nemesi I said the refis no, Juju, and Yedi Juju Nafe, Omdiani Flyer, Ebedia can see a Senate bribe moon, it is announced will be as he said, only Jujum, now on shall say, waiting and Sabom and Nema Etian Kuya, Ayana Krum had a can't about only the scientific aspect of the game, but the spiritual aspect of the game, no, in amalgamation with the scientific, no, and a boy Emma achieve the desired results, or Yasimu, Yamia Domain, no Subekum, Nemo Black Stars of Ghana, ya drawing, Ewo Group F, and also Komo El Honum, Yamia Doma, Michael Okan, Bachelor, say Group F, no, or be a dana, a cheap, and I say, and the wedding, and I say, send a name ACTA, a bet me, and I'm a Group F, no so, Edia PM L final, the grand finale, nana, saying a name of Bessia Kunyamia Doma, Wakan community that, and the one she say between Sajao, Eric Cassidu Bodia, and a punk H.M., Sanson Mota Quameja Quay Champion Sabekensa, Kobe the scavenger papai, the full Edward, and so see a name when you count kind, woman nada, and a touch the bois, and medicine shares on Queen Etwejao, within the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good deal catch back, the only no make with the professor's Green's Force, the original Wallace, and the messing Queen Elcon Quantum Coordinates, Maldron Saka, and then you so Elcana good him ebro. Channel Somam say you make Makuma Kubesi, do no chili, or Madama, woman attach the bois, Emma Edis Sports Night still on ASEMPE Asempa 94.7 FM. So Etwejao. The 4th edition of the MTN Kou Easter Games, no, Ebeba Soke, now also portrayed the Antempa, Michelle Sheo, Kou Traditional Council, Nafadum FM, Adum TV, Nafadumonline.com, and a live FM near Sempa FM, ya Katia from Hode Sanchez and Queen Sabro. The ultimate sports station, you be a Katim fee, Quadadi, near Fikrum Hakraya Wada, near Kudu Nafi, Fiada, Memedane Quesada de, who actually Quandia Oko, Krum had the Nadia Bitens and we. Then when Yamia Doma, a fantastic sporting events, I would need a bro. I remember that 20th non Africa, 21st of April 2019, price no, a whole bed, the massive sports games and the Bitens and Coso Honum. Now, Obama Hesson and Shani Sitia, Naja say, Saturday 20th of April, no, now Kou Easter marathon, Chassis, now Kou, Hobed, the Kou, Hene, Palisono, Nafi, so Abine, and Yamia Udrina, Bess and Lucia, and no nights to be a shibwa, Yedis Sanchez and Kunubitian Sapemso, Obama, Nafi, Queseda, 21st of April, no, all the roads will be leading to Price Stadium for the soccer gala, Namisawa, but one the other side with the Bitian Sachim. Go to so for and never retain your supremacy in the view. I was in a Jumedian Udin 2018 and I say both for Beji, Obama for Ba, Bepon, TBA, Nafita for and Quetia, and Kuma Nafi so Pitiku, and then Price Womina, Eba, Abeboa, Sanchez, so Quentin Sakuyi. There'll be other activities, Ebo air dame, Nafi Ato ASS Meludu, Nafi Yabo air cast El Honoma Team Sampa, ye de air in Tebeni Nabe took us El Jumedia Bitin Sepuno, 7 p.m. say Gano Missel and Price Lorry Park Honum, a second edition of the Mixed Martial Art and also Bitin Sabaso in partnership with African Air Fighting Championship and a Sanchez on Kunubitin Sabaso, a 2019 MTN Kou Easter Games and the one dance the chair with Pacho, but more than that, Sebia Becobiano, MTN Care, Hunti Jumedin Bed, the FR Network Mudi, Yamiaduma, Yamabitin Sanquid amount, or better Atadrin ginger, Omotechilipa, a real taste of Atadrin and ginger, an amalgamation of Atadrin ginger, and my canny Atadrin ginger, yeah, and Ka Echawan, Kabus and Paunia Tadrin, and Atadia Crank Kabeshe, but more than that, Fido Money Landing, also Bobo Prumpe, Putuprum, na Unya, a year Kulatrabia, and I say Fabian Bisia, ABC Golden Lagabia, Mr. Onum Sansabia Chebie, Pau no more baji say giel ABC golden lager beer and send them where they say yam and camp papa monoma what your team sampansani and after snake bet for the bet net about it take a shot and win and after Jenkwan Garlic Air Plus almost where they about Greenfield Scientific Herbal Research and Clinic. God is a healer and Asempa bet from paying for the best odds near the mouth dibia now feel so semeso bitters and then Fameco dry gin. Na fami kono mfa onyina fa ko de obekọ pa and it is no ma fa dwene kakra to sense de wo kọ de wo kwa wanhwa no bia majew Franco Trading Enterprise nso se fun papa fie adonko bitters se bomoden da se so betua ka bitters papa bi oba spaghetti for techiri ana afi so darling lemon alcoholic drink ensa na mu de se ye de ankatwade na ye HC hair relaxer for enso di nko aba betua sabo gift unya bia obetun de atwe utimi na pa ma otimi sampagina so ana afi yield money plus for techiri vitamin de milk mu de party saba and afi downtown miracle boutique for intade papa no de techiri and afi so bima insurance for also techiri give us go capsules mr ko kwa man konya ofie nyina se presenters no ko kwetu amafo eto no echi microphone yi eni tuwo se nipa sugar ne to no tete akonya so ayekoko mr give us go capsules ne do ba ko betia property ama opom de sem etia ko supermalt and afi so beer and so mo de aba ne nyasem keto kra energy that last but more that some betia can be Ideal College say how can you feel who do any chirewa ubetwa so hwe na F-Pack Blue will blow your pains away and Lydia Fashion say we are the best in fashion and a redac a roofing system almost techiri pa and Mr. Q say be a real man Mavis insecticide for techi 2 mirror herbal research and clinic science fee and a Roman insecticide spray and coil say ntonto master no saso medical catcher da say coil no and say air spray in saso the obetian sent ntontum say twoboi na so mu peja air coil na say saso spray no na omu peja dia kosi abonti no mai kida momentum na om dia bewe saso de ntesa ekum ntontum preko obi say ekum ntontum preko bo mo dia da say sabetua keme beboa e ma niam etia ko ide ma Cap Farm Ghana Limited for so techiri and after Crystal City Real Estate edit na papa na boss we make you smile and Akoba say our life simplified and after Jumbo Cube one so techiri King City Real Estate for number 1 destination for your property buyers omo and techiri aboa ema yede adom MTN ko Easter games jumedi kesi yede eja no ho sena niam ebesi akọ won hyehyɛ yede ebrewi mu ginya me venture se men kan kire se won edit 3D Epoxy ana aba 3D Epoxy no won edit nefu amiensa ana si ho intensive practical training and yede ma e pacho a new technology for designing walls and floors na sa 3D Epoxy ebetua sa bo aba e replace air tiles and kan tiles na say 3D Epoxy bo si adro ma mo tabi na dawo dem ho ya drop power tano nso gina ho ya drop fish bi ne ho kone aba nhwire flowers a che setitare ho nyina no otum se 3D Epoxy ne timi yesan hyehyɛ nyina edam ye fefefe wadwade ojade ba bia ho kama na biodigester nso ho tete beba CCTV camera nso ye kyerɛw na afi nso electric fencing installation car tracking system installation nyina sa programs nyina de bia ba ye de ebeboa na me adoma from 2nd of May enkopim 4th of May 2019 8 am sharp na dwumedi no shase me pacho bieda a opese wa acquire skills ewo sa dwumedi mu obetua ba se wo ye banker na se wo ye soldier wo ye police ni a utwa pulse wo kwa ho je kakra SHS divers na university graduates polytechnic graduates ne hwan kwa na ka presenters kobi mesra wo hia sa no dwuma betua sa bodan ko bi anwene se a na se wo ye 3D Epoxy mankofo ewo mo wo so na afi so kra no mo fem na boa emanema etie ko ye 3D Epoxy wonya bi ewo dem etie boa pa madem ye kama gifty mesra na sentembo modern da behwe majade wo my 3D Epoxy bi ho a ehwa ye kama se 3 days intensive training na nyame adoma ginya me ventures ede mankofo na ebetia boa amanema etia kuye ede amawo bo modern da so do ho beji sa training mu over front desk of Joy FM sabe kan ana afi so Vision 1 FM na afi Peace FM eno so ba sabetia kan obetia friend was 0248 952 0248 952 na one ginyame ventures yenhwetwe komo obetia WhatsApp yen 0248 952 na phone mpemfo atwe komo ginyame ventures wo madama wo na ekyerekye 3D Epoxy ase na beboa emane oso anya dwuma ye account na hu komo abai nobody is scoring more direct international goals in than MoneyGram because now you can receive money from abroad directly or indirectly from MoneyGram. Me patron yes account no ye cash into account direct. Get money transferred straight into your account. Me patron live and direct. But more than that sort of MoneyGram. Receive money from UK, US, Germany, Italy, now so 200 more countries around the world. Available to picking over best 2,000 locations, 18 selected banks in Ghana, and a web message media udi nyama etwe the amount. Sikamani de na brofo the money nkofo etia breach the money. It's na me brofo eyewe e the amount no. Me patro champion, don't slag go and collect your 3 points with MoneyGram today. Omo ne beti aboa e maniama etwe the amount. MoneyGram na omo eye kinkim, omo ye bumfrim, omo eye brekete omo boa e maniama etwe kukuyi pa. Yes, every crown, Meko a Ahman so. Nana Ajima and a king of Asempa good mensem keka. And now quite your idea, Utum Papa Pay. I won't send baby audition to my ribby fin to the Shenako to Jim and an abatuma obey no put away Sadia May, Nielsen and Yama Asiaco. 44 minutes exactly a year after the hour of 7. And you go shooting Kunyaso at the sports night within Ebro. Kobe the scavenger papa oscillating to say oscillating fan or caught no back or caught no back in answer or bois Emma production I tight sapepe and a bois Emma Yama 8 quaint yanko na Nana Ajamai and when Kumo or Santimate by Famugui and Femano. Okay, Asempa, yes, ake, obe, anche, yanko, nana ajma, nedi umre, yanko.
Okay, Paul, me amenche tifu nyina mema munyina ma ajo. Enfambra santimante magudi Asempa. And media semoba ya hadi bokoja. And no ayi ni normalization committee special committee ne koso. Ma kumasa sante korokoja mo kwa wi. Ekukusi akandidate ya between Nite na mo ko ye no. Team no enya ba bidura santimante mo asumpi mboni bia ni camp obia ho ye boys nyina ehwe ni muse nyame ya adoma omo next game so ebetimi atodwa na nyame ya adoma de me se kan se kwasi ada omo de omo ni be kire okowu na wonom ne okowu fo akwakobo adese friendly game ba ko ho awu se nyame ya adoma kwasi ada Easter Sunday in se champion fo aye ne se nyame ya adoma Easter Sunday no boy en fucking ti ba ko mo okowu fo na be bonche no kakra mpanyifo na sense hye mpanyifo de egu akwam so far asem ni kan tu gya no boys ne de obia ho ye asemboni die ni kam de mu ade ba ko a still wuro mu asante koro kampa akwa issue da ho no ya branch fene se so ni yakuba na ho sensem na still se oba kotoko kampa eno akwa asem ba ko da sisi koro mpanyifo no de in the media no omo report say player fene se so ni yakuba no plan go pra inti no ejomo he ni muse no betimi ato na nyame ya ma no hoto na otimi aba be ka boys na omo so etimi ayi training ne ade na ye wuro mu no utimi say pro player defense so ni yakuba no say kamia kwa say abrante na nkasa no koroko team na fono no a ti say so he office ne ade a eba kamia kwa say so ni yakuba no office mum na nani wo so na nya say bia no ho beto no amna be board ya makotoko ne ya ade ba ko a nani wo so ne say no and paying for us already over the kind consider say branch defense Sonny Yakuba said the right price in a bar na also mujai Sonny Yakuba manekwa any ombeje na a boy be a by a correct biano ombeja ma Sonny Yakuba kwa kusia kind ya masa club na no any bit in a club of clubs now more none from him start Orlando Paris adia chia yes just go for near then officially also the be catcher say officially clubs in the enya de so much for the abre kotokosi bia omuhia so ndi yakuba nemum news na media circle ma yi nyina etiti bia eneja omusoso etiti but bisi ne obi se tambe ki official bia fama ba kotokofo ne de already say nyame o adomna se bia player no official bi ba said in a contract men say kan say omo sign contract omo ne kan no say official officer ba na so mu fi so na ya wo mu nsi ne kwambe jana mana ko pepe na yen hye mpanyifo no se ofa bi beba na ejomaja branch na ko go branch no se prof so hwa akotoko team no technical team no kwa ni board no mo no wo plan life after Sonny Yakuba ana team no kwa na omo hye no so hwa afi omo board no mo mo ye bibia se Sonny Yakuba ni wo kwa na still kotoko will still go on into no my idea is technical to no more, yeah, almost any and also so for problem, Bia, Basidia, Cobasia, that and Sonny Yakuba, New Zenon. Hey, I hear about cold fish on Yakuba, so I say about the figure. Now, after no proof, my found to just see, Kumasa Santeco companion for the report, I mean, say, can I say, I dare say the executive chairman, Dr. Kwamiti, report, I mean, and say, there's a little more to Quasway, I dare say, Doctor, it's me, Cabia, or say, players or more contract, I came. Any players are said you win bonus I came no more music as I came no move fan so to be a ma as from Gentim Marakoto camping tene there 800,000 rather 800,000 Ghana City can see cano 8 billion and where you dare to say or fan so to our boys need no be a contract once and them any amount for bonus society check them no more friend here na BBB so 18 ko inform tenom Asempa ko da if you open so beja ye can be a fast and pay from some boys and so see can nyaba into Phoebe and Yami much now which be Wednesday Thursday in the ja one now see can be na and penny for so sonom estimate walk could use said ye see better than any and the Bia Brasun say normalization committee special committee start supporters no more camp and I see Kakononya the permanent and the results no and piano a papa nisa in Tamado Tonano, I'm not performance in Siki Pamonum. This is Soba Santamante Mohadia and also Etni Abrasi. It is so far, I know I can also by name of Timonum, for one found to just a technical Timonum. One more, dear Seminole Casoma Pretty Boys and Yamiatma Wednesday, and a boys, ever sound so a resume training, no eka crack. If you technical team, that's why you buy, woman so Eddie about the figure and you don't want some of them if you ask them a couple of cents on himself or what's a shanty good. Woman so say, I dare say, one more 18 couldn't be a promotive shame and dear Macaba common sentiment and I gave him a branch of friend say, Richard Tajman and can to defend the league. We see a kind of as good. A branch could be red card. I report, I mean, say, can I say, after that branch could be red card, give me baby. I dare say, supporters in the Kusiano and Kuya, Emma, in fact, and also one simply in a bar on Tima Pop. The man said, can I say, supporters in the Kura, Cocochain, say, kindly, I didn't know what it was myself. I'm a branch and a bra, supporters, and then a Casacasanaja. One of you could be a no Kuya, no much as a before by. I'm a player supporters in the Cocochain, saying, second in our branch and but, and ya dear said, be bonny beer to me, and maybe a crown. Richard charge my name, Janaman and Nam, Mibusi Bisana, or Chirimichiremi, no. Why never in one, I'm play and would do red card, Cranana, we have come with nothing, even do it again, Mukranitia, or young Fonsunas and Fonsonoque finalist, or more supporters, as good, you know, officials and Comotanasi, and a Jacofa Sadi and a buy on Yan any cash short, ya Bibia, the team can put me come 10 down, Emma supporters net for Mohasima play and also. And what I'm a nominee Nite me about from Tinaja, so Coboas and I said, you're also no, now you said, and I said, no, a Denian, and Yan and CSA, as quite Deportivo, no more called Pristia, make a division 1 team, I quite Deportivo, no more called Pristia, Aqua or not division 1, nationalization from lower division as a first division for Manchester. Woman, I'm going more Conaja, I'm more better attack a woman, mobile phones, players in it, this is a name. One more Sikane, one more cast, a chrome bobo, and a card. They say I'm more best meeting in Inteja, and then the room of the Potivo for Honam Jamikobi, Mrs. Rufa saying and no city. Now, Penino, that team Nanomeka with Camarats, or there are too many say, Bibia the day after said, one more Onyasa attack, and I dare about where high a mobile phones in Omsika. I've confronted but as I am no Casay, almost so much for Cata, the normalization committee. Ama Ebiason, one more competition. Committee no so empanyim for bia akoso omoso a omo hwe no se nyame adoma asquad deportivo wo mu game na nkomo kwa abo no hwe na afo mapeda omo de bobo na enu akin so normalization committee no so no ebetwene ho no ma hwe do mutimi aye e dia ma asquad deportivo for nteja prof enumere se mobile santemantemu ana chese kakre wa hanom ene eye juada eno ene yabo ni nyina no a yede amamfi nyame adoma chine ko nyina de bebem bia na de akem bia so no yede eno so de ba beda mo prof.
Okay, I'm saying you man no abono but nkomo kakra okrom se me mo kakra se me bon nkomo ache na
ne bom kakra prof
sa kwenya da wo hu we the boys been na ka kire me o ntino enye fan say bia me talk from experience Mr. Why as the soldiers will kill like about 100 humans and then there will be peace Asundi
Hello, Prof.
Yeah, hello, utie me there. Hello.
Hello, Prof.
Utie me there.
Now the soldiers fight.
And the soldiers will kill like about 100 human beings.
Uh-huh.
And then there will be peace. But you just use only one person for blood money, and the spirit will not allow you to rest. Just one person. You just use one person. You see that?
Soldier for the end is really and your boy. And no maybe the money happens, but will be occupied to do the yes. You be a grow ukunipa half of cry near 100.
Nah, come on back with nowadays, the way the girls smoke, I pray that they don't give birth to firewood. These girls have been smoking these days, so they have been smoking. Met me a name, fence, such girls, met me a name, Biamon. Hey, oh dear, no. I say the boy better, sir. My brother, if you can kiss a woman with lipstick very passionately, then you can eat crayon happily. You don't have any problem. But dark girls are beautiful. Not dark power, but I mean dark like 6:30 p.m. to like about 11:30 p.m.
Just 1 a.m. to 2 a.m.
Nah, and rana, Missy me pray baby no my boy say oh. Let me grab a brain shop on am say papa ba ko me chain o ka say o ka chele di bi o phone so say let me pack one and call you back. What me chain over brain shop. O ka say phone so say let me pack one and call you back. And I'm say yeah, existence you money.
Enya izu.
I'm for dion ro. Na dey ma ko ni kan fa ware ho ne say oyire betimi ahu sika obotom onte wasem ba ode mani hu condom obotom the whole world here once go obotom onte problem bia onte wasem bia ba ode mani hu condom say ate ni tinu keke kra na fence triangular portion e she obotom keke the whole world hear about you. It's no komo kakra ba no. But so when I say na nema esi course no ube last for 2 minutes there Mr. How who say ube yi ne hu nyina so ase wo de be pieto ne nche na fa ho na ye ne ube but so we say we 2 minutes guy there Mr. Nkrato e koma o say yeso for so ase ube yi ne hu nyina wo de be pieto ne hu na fa ho na hwese ne be sia ko wia na waje adwom se na ko fi why it's na meja wasia why. Okay, it's in an ajamai, and I'll tell the canon. Only prepare the man on so when you servicing. What did you pet? Why be said the afternoon one? Anka then, what's about? Oh, one say, or the vessel commander, once I saw some I can say, ah, and theatre day. Oh, Andrew Shane, give him say na emi nisi na obra mebesen. Da nyina unim. De besi ana madawase. Michael Okan. Ewo ha. Aje so de ne aka 18 sa to so yebekom ewo eye amanoni tokrum. Na Michael Okan ene nkomo no atimi agyan na afia hwese na nema esi elko ewo amanoni tokrum. It's time for foreign tidbits. Some news from the world, foreign tidbits. Authentic news, foreign tidbits. Very, very latest foreign tidbits. Whoa, it's foreign tidbits. It's time. Okay, Michael, we are about here. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. Amanoni tokrum. Yes. Yanko. Tokrum of all tokrums. Mr. Jaman, our United States of America. Right. Atlanta, US. Right. Otie Jumedino. Sharp. It's a fantastic evening. And come on, Mr. Jaman. Sharp. Or Delta Airlines Solomon. Or senior engineer. Sharp. It's a fantastic evening. And come on. Sharp. Sharp. Mini Papa, no. Sharp. Yeah, Prof. And on Amanoni tokrum, you got 3 stories. Stories in about football. Now, about football, about games are back in midweek. European games and as a Champions League games. Now, before side games, you say
coaches press conferences omo granting interview omo chere players betumi a make squad players omanya injury players am compassionate leaving na omo taking advantage of the press conference to give the supporters and the fans and the media especially injury news and camp news ewo mu team na ende unse ochina basani man you nebo owo at Camp Nou. The second leg of the Champions League encounter between Manchester United and Barcelona. The first leg ending 1-0 win for Barcelona. Ongo look sure share, but on a China game no look sure out because of suspension. But boss of Barcelona, Ernesto Valverde, granting the interview and said presser ahead of the game. Addressing a lot of issues ahead of the game. Now, on say Manchester United team be omuye known for comebacks. Time we say man you da fema or move na omusho last minute goals be na on vertical. But ahead of this game, Valverde can say indeed man you was something special. Omuye late in games, but Ojin say in this game there's no way, and I said there's no possible way. No problem.
Na menko amano so briefly. Yani honorable Edwin Lanti Van der Poel. Edwetwen komo kakra hwese nyema esie ko. We say draw it off fem no. And na fe so se na nyema si ko this time no. Yen say honorable ewo eye bibi ho ma obetimi e dia brand this time so a. Honorable yemo adwo.
Yeah, John. Thank you.
Me ba chobo ko na so e.
Na me adomo.
Aza mete won ka che kakra.
Na ko pa do e so ho ne mobile ho no ne nchira.
Okay. Ya fro nwumere nkita ne bone na ne yehwe se Blasters draw etiansa ba ye be ko de but generally o hwe sese na Ghana good esi kwa et send ma o
so pi ese me mo go bezire kaka o mentan o be repeat na kan
me say ne yehwe se na Ghana good esi eko na me bisa se generally o hwe se na Ghana good especially with football se na nyama esi ko no et send ma o.
Okay, me da se me de kan me chia wa tie fo na mama mo nyina ajo maka se de na ko pon se obo e ho ban na kafrache o ma enso ye nyina no akra se nyina ye na de bo ano ye e ba agukan si asema maka se kafrache me hu sakra papa bia sacred significant bia agudin kitin na yemfi omo yammo omo no omo na dafache muguso edre na dafache yedi yin na so ehwe football na football an kaza so tese yehu me be ejina na ejina o ene be ye o ye ba ne meka ne se say nyina ben yanya ntiase se akwa ya faso maybe atwam no eno ma nkoso ma papa nti efisa eni ya nanka yema yen but say to me hu sa na ya nye ne koso yen ya no dan that kanina. You don't expect to do the same things all the time and get a different result. Yemeka ewo no. Agodi nkitu ano ebre. Se Yemeka se omo a na nkopan yo madum kakra ne se eja do mama abanya da Roma. Yinya bukom boxing gymnasium yi. Na ama boxing.
Asempa
Ajana na nso kakra. Intimate like I said, boxing the tafrate boxing the concan kakra to say Ghana at least every month be an after 3 months be no Ghana you Ghana I'm on TV so do also say I go the boxing to kwa this amount put me free UK free all other parts of the world eba be kunto kwa Ghana na Kenya sa let us say, Namika say, infrastructure on here. The Nya Buko boxing arena. Abua Amagana boxing a conkain. We hope say we will see the same thing with all other sporting disciplines. Say they are mass supporter, a require na ye improve upon infrastructure ebema agro nankasa akọ n'anim na amanfoɔ so any age aba ɔman mu sɛ ɔmɛbɔboa ama yɛagodi akɔ so.
Panyin a ɔyɛ kandifoɔ de ma ɛyɛ aban ɛkyɛ sɛ n'ani gye Ghana agudi ho paa ɔpɛ sports paa wohu no saa.
Menim sɛ ɔyɛ student no na n'ani gye sports ho menim but sɛ meka sɛ sɛsi a mɛtumi amanda credit amɛboa because wayɛ Meet the Press series and after so State of the Nation address and then count. Minya nkaye bia emphasa occasions mu che say na need agodie ho ana say na ne so agodie ho ana say oyi bibia be ma agodie akoso e wo Ghana man mu ne tafrache president odi no me who sports as part of the priority me who and the mechanic say, for example, Obakaya last year, or press interaction, you began a very important question about sports. Okache pay say, Nenin Koho, and man, now Jim, on you, Hompo. Then no say, to say, the fact that sports are Nenin Koho, and I say, and the priority and then the Hamika Kakra efa President Nako Fado.
Okay, and they Abuba Babedu normalization committee, Omona Emani football no now. Almost assessment that is saying for long 1 year see a day a special competition bepem so ebeba so ema so afede ejabo yabo ama yabo faith week kra e man so a competition o mawie na je say normalization committee o ma si omunkunim die kwan so ho o mo ya de ho.
Oh, make us a competition. They make us it's a timely thing. Idea. Oh my yeah, make us and the adepa and the member of the competition. But nanka ye two are ye no nanka ye in the competition the member of baso. But make us omunyo ma ye nyina no and by this time me fi say eye oha kakra because me fi say medodo o ma tra ho no me hu nia tafrache eye different from Kaneho. And I may say normalization committee should not go beyond time and Makui. Me feel say within this period no and can they be able to lead us to Congress substantive executive. I feel so almost we put up the commission to reform our football from the coast level to the highest level. And you might touch my way a ball, you might ball ye, a management home, a technical ability, official, nyama football no. Naka that commission no ashe na over my roadmap and now say over my recommendations as to what to do nyama assistant amaya assistant the way running your football. It is our commission my our reform ninka ho nyina maya normalization na say tafrache ahinia ohini wu a ni o hwe kire ebetena ho obeka se menye ready se meye ye menye ready but no akasa be dan no ho so he no say bi na me hu normalization committee no nti the madwan ka kem say if some ye na na hwe ye no ye congress ni ye nya substantive executive na face so ye di reform commission no eba na reform commission ye ni efsem no say ye na mo tire ye kwan a ye be fa so de sisi enyoma asesa ye nyoma ama tafachi ye ne betumi aboa ama ya football no asesa na bra bona ma ayata frache yakoye ni
what about that what's normalization committee na ko ese ahini a ohini na wu na ne eso ye yi no o gusu etu eye ni sheda na
sa pepe
o sa
to say me feel say normalization committee no by this time no omo to 2 years to say ya omo ka say look after 3 months by this time, you should have had a substantive Ghana Football Association Executive Committee management in place. No, not commercial, a provisional or institution. Inti provisional institution na echo the fracture almost half a year, and also was 1 year there. Now they are no more temporary or provisional. They are becoming about them.
Okay. And then Ghana
let me say this. Black Star the make say Nyakopon di echi Nyakopon boy because ballot a group e ko to mo no ade a me fi say ni papa so a no na mom my enye complacent because this time no Africa ball no obi akonanim Guinea Bissau Cape Verde Equatorial Guinea ni nka ho no now say na nso mo ye ne say omo bie kwan matafrate amanonifo a Brazil ni Portugal for ni nka ho mo nya kwan mo national team no ebe naturalize bo mo nto mo nya sese mo team football sese o Africa. The last time I winning Cup of Nations for the fourth time, that Cameroon winning by Akupo. And that Cameroon be say that is a football no as a son. And the country be anywhere with me a boon and intel or mobile. And this a you say, oh, you shall Benny, you shall give me beside a share in you, a yama ever firma. Not ever for one die of fire. It's in the FTA who say that when you shall ye who said the Pakon to say Asia Nigeria, Asia Morocco, and Asia any other country. Ye nim to the Yase Omo higher or bomb. Before any Kenya ever born and say no. The BPA me can say Kofi Pari says you took a few time. Ye share Kenya 13-0. Ye share Kenya 13-0. Now say no boy no you struggle and a show one. And the football assistant. Untumi ka say crow with your money bobo. Let after me kai in Niger for boy. Oh my country Niger. Oh my country. It's a board they say untumi emmo obi abonfia. Ti afisi nyina no. You who say a serious a group na wo mu no. Man can say the group is weak. Nti e be famu champion ne akọ there. You won be kire.
Was here be here football bi.
Oh well, so me kwesi apia football I mean can radio so because eno sa no say meka bibi na ekina okoye a ebi ono na dwen no de aye. Nso we be say ni lante van upon na kontu kwesi apia. Kwesi apia me senior me fi say o nim de internet di position amana no. It is a football bi na me wona sa damfo na so onya. Say me friend friend say e wo dem na me ne kan wa asem na because ade ba kwa me ha me ne say there is no consistency in our planning and our rebuilding. For example, before you ever World Cup, you qualify, you World Cup qualify. You fair players don't be boy. But come kind of deep, no ball Leicester, no regular, but one or two FA Cup matches or boy in here. Okay, go to my Leicester. Something do. Walking striker and be beat it Anthony Yeboah. You call World Cup, you fananko, and it's your generation. Extra when we play away, extra also play away, Emma consistency enye. Me feel say by this time no, anka players have say nim say trouble you. Na the team ni, into that team no, say they be bema, na the pakro be we pra, and na say the pakro wa outshine will be a ushe England team a. You can say for English team, we be fair. For French team, we be fair. For German team, we be fair. It is the able to na family akwa na mienu bi and they be obi plan or replace no and I say be obi akone form from so much say it no be replace no but yes we say e be 6-7 new players every time in the national team and me who be that and no na dia me pese ye nyina ye fe na ene kon but uma ayisu na ama ade be ham kakra making kind report be oya in century ni no menim say be aye no kwe say ti Ghana e de nipa be ye aduanan and the call ballot in Cairo, Egypt. Say no crepa dia.
Nipa koe, nipa de omo koe pa.
Nipa koe pa.
Nipa koe meet me kind dia, but nipa koe.
Say no pa dia na how can me? Because it means that we are not learning from any mistake. Balloting for Cup of Nations. Na the nipa be 40 in every Ghana akọ. Ade. Then omo koe they make me feel say, well, if you share all other countries are, delegation are big, 6, 7. The technical people pan here, but not 40 people. I'm going ahead then. Holiday.
I'm going to observe you.
Observe then.
A lot
I need the life for TV so.
I won't pass a Kulu be a person money humbi.
Balloting, Kululu. And I say, yeah, Ghana for you, I am going to Ghana lottery near Hessen. Yeah, almost to Lutonofa. What everyone? Nipa 40 at the 9. Oh, no. I think we have a problem. Almost supervise this idea, we know. Except buying show master. No money as a public catcher in India. Almost yes, sir.
I'm almost supervising me. I didn't go for P. Egypt or ballot national.
It doesn't make sense. Wait. A Sikasa Yakwa. At this time, Paralympic be air international competition. You have $5,000. Now they are qualifying series. I qualify. I could compete. I'm Ghana. You see, in your money into the background. And I'm la sulala. Excess is the car more their corner. They to win the 40. I call ballot in keke. Now, you see the feminine say, you know, so. A serious issue. When you're there, say a proper tool with the car.
Hey, I say,
and then remember, the car the youngest campaign all sporting disciplines, you know. You're doing your Sika at the NEPA 40 call ballot in Egypt. It doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense at all. I mean, see that.
Okay. Na me hwe amafo ka se cap no so ebetia sanjia the inclusion of Kelvin Prince Boateng, Sule Muntari and some players bi ase omo hyeda ngogo sa no ye de omo bank ebetia boa amane matia kwe opinion ho ye de.
Nobody has the right to decide for the coach players have so from not them ball. Me to my opinion on this. Coach Kwesiapia reserves the right on I did to me National Assembly. Say offer players or fees say Obama Ghana, Ghana to me, I call name Ghana this me win a crew. So no didn't 2 million in the name the year. Not a fracture and to me achieve this our result now. Now it will be some assembly. Now say me coach player on fa. Who coach player on fa. Now O'Connor and Yadia, one of these ready to bono bono. Then your coach on fair players or we have the right to critique the selection any players or ever. But you need to chat to me no say yeah channel player if so far and not a month.
Okay. Honorable Edwin and Tivanapo, so for that na ka na hwe agudie ene mabunu so elkroma ye bede wase sam brase consultant so afre onwere woni e kasa e gusu twetwe nkomo no okay that's it amen intino em say honorable say rade ntu yenkwam amen we say say rade ntu yenkwam sika ne dwetere em so ni bi but say rade ntu yenkwam e wo sere nema esie ko so say du bibia kama de
yeah what has be aboko me kwana wa but me da me Asempa say wetimi de me abedu nkran kromu no san me abedu studio hanti me da me ase
okay
stand there me ase mo so maje me in spite of my lateness na massage me
mate for the love of the game it's me kwa manu so biu na ye ne Rashid Idi coach Rashid Idi so ye ne hwehwe nkomo na afi ye sene nema esie koso coach ye mo adwo
oyenua
bibia boko de
bibia boko pocho wanso wanze
yenso yegusun kakra sa
de me ase
okay na wasitra muti sen ewo matches ayebo na sen tami
bibia record thought although yesterday na young go channel I didn't kakra but said bibia record
bia koso kama okay problem bia ni
watching internet video on bibia record na
oh nim say show dia na say bibia koso kama na
say my tinem it's bibia record
but utim ni mu na bibia record ye
bo last Sunday ended up and the Karela sharing 3-1 The players are more used to. In fact, Warriors at Mukuri. Warriors and Kasang. I am from Cedar Academy. A technical director will quit on or for father more from an auto to one. Maba more used to the more from most of players I say more used if you want no more. Say ball our born. If you be our share. Bo in Asibia who there no Nenyeji on the Warbo football. Karela and Subobo, the Karela is mature players. It's all more born a yefe.
Okay.
Though Lucy all right, but in terms of performance, the first half no a year for Karela, but the whole of the second half is year.
Apart from performance now. As a Karela for that di ebrosono over the Karela for no movie bi and omutwa 3 once June be angelo.
Oh, Makade Bibia Kodo thoughts or just incident view of Osia, Mufide there, Yenina, Yeshana, Yeyigu, on Sada Oba football, on a young dressing room before you ever enter. Dressing room nearby na mono nsubi swat ebon nso swanchiu nsubi nsugugu konja egwa wodoma hen no oni ifom hono mo so oye incident bi no onye kra for say yepede ball Ghana ball na yokwini for the madini na oyi for us Kere yen time no 70s, late 70s, 80s na dano. Na the margin okodo pa. I see them say yes and you go back to them era no. Echom. O see yen time na dressing room ye nyi baby alo. In na permit nyi baby a be gina edom no mu na abo wo shogula obi a twemeka ba park no do. Go obi a wona na park. I see say de mpuntu aba. Nti yamma mpuntu no nkodo. Sabi wakade mreba mabobo enyinase na yeba no na se yende mo ho so anchi ni adia na ile oya sofim kaka da man sha gentleman o football mi na bejeyo
it is so there dem sanchi ni azaze a ehu yi no eye bibi ehu a
oh ode wakasetia oye bibi oye na mokotina egwairum bibi katupa atasa de inye Karela wo bolu inye de oyi onu no oyi obu Karela no oyi ihu bia ba o mis mu players ni hu kakra babo mu enwa bibi dam wa baneze obi na dun be do bibi be na bibi dam you get me but I'm not going to take anything away from Karela. In fact, born to obey. But the mother no there with Jay. Go say AMBB down there also a better and also me who can share would dress room woman said the Sebi toilet to Suana Shanchi Bigugu on one. At myself was one of the radio stations be from also say Mr. Edu you do the sham. No, on you do some or you be on ya or the Yina Cassitia.
Okay, it's not
only the Wabasham.
Okay, it's not Karela, Edis Asonchi and I don't say every round and a Thomas Momodi Musunkunimo.
Bibi them first half of the Bahamas will be the players and be able to cry with a waging the fee born or day in ya Yasha Yoko in Iguana, the Iguano, or they send Yazuko dressing washroom or what dressing room one. Yoko na day at the bar, not everything on your obey players and 1 fee, baller, walk or bonodo. At my side, so the who be share players no more. My first half of the fight no yen talents now. Yeah, Bobo. Said
the who be share Mudia, and say, Sonchio say, Abazine Kuino, enya effect or modo. I am so Jumanameboa.
Yeah, or where came one. I mean, Makado or where came one bros. Oh. Psychological no wa fende wa wufia etimpo wufia etinese ebane eboto de obi is the swanchi na de go sa wo insura wo bebusu wo be insura wo yeribusu atrasa nipa 18 months squad of players nti ebenye binum a wobosu nti yem first half is no boy either boys na heavy be they look heavy so the second one yem who dey onye hwe they should go back and play.
Okay nti
atrasa
nti baby a ebe hu sontwi bia wo obo mu bia no na se ebezinku go.
Oh, dabi. Oh, the journalism. Master, as no nya, woman yin nkede onye. Ma nkede swanchi no na obobo no. Swanchi ambeshe go lo. At masa, swanchi bi amba ambeshe go. But at least obey you waju na if ball elko do. At masa, after 30 minutes, and now me find 2 hours to the time elko akobo. Never would dress room no. About to the whole nyina or the swanchi and I be them the gugu ha. Wa abajin adine be ya ide no wajin be fi park no wajin be dress room no at masa ba o mi ufi nye dress room wa ufi point wa ufi wo dana wala easy na say about to be them obe oda ba o mi say lose concentration
ebizu bega say Rashid Ayola o wa bobo pen ansa na nei o san aboa ama technicalities of a team interlines nyama koye nti obobo na unihwe wo honom na sonche na enwenwe say
Masa, the minyaba de niye de swanchi no wu.
Bobo na ni hwe.
Na abadina mo, bo na mo bo. Na che abadina me. What do you want me to use? A drew.
Say bibi also
mama to what asema ya kana.
Bibi also ebi also.
Let us go scientific. Na yenje dem you know, I mesrawa let's go scientific but so no and no be this one chegu ha intimidate me next team be who Europe what na next team Europe team no one for sanchi na di wo fu gugu let you no so ntumumba atma say
metio bra
anwa yete se mo from na yente to woni ye ma em for eduru na de from to mo from that's what I'm talking about. Atmasa I don't know onye mo Carola for what good football mo won for them adem for nko dressing room na adem for nko onye o me nya yenkere onye ebe
okay
onye kwa enya dem gentleman of football you know obi abeje yo obi abefi dem ma bo fende awu fende sisi so coach sini nyina wakale weje coach na mu hu for say that dem musu mi je because ma go to coach mu team ma so fe football image na chere mejuma sai atasa nke azano so nya o mu yen nyina yembom yankade onye ne yenje ma yenye de ye bata bibi bone zo bone nya bo asa dem metu kwana ifaka ma ba wufie me woro bobo bola na dressing room ezo mama no sanchi na de gugu ebe
okay coach Rashid Idi you better was say you only a train call okay
so o me nya yankasa ntia mo so do onye
mate
o me nya yankasa ntia
mate me da senso bebre nwumre
muso me da se bebre
okay
kana wo bobo pa bon fu wadun tuche dure no bola wo bon e ma football ankasa so see women see them you know no more ni
okay me da se pa
muso me da se
okay Rashid Idi anatene kan Michael briefly to swear na amanani to krom yenko area ne aba issues no so
sir ntina me ka about press conference Ernesto Valverde ahead of the game or addressing issues concerning China game number against Manchester United. Now in the press conference you're beside about Ousmane Dembele. Ousmane Dembele one player a section of Barca fans episode against Manchester United. Now approach or recover in the most of Insemna or Mobisai on the press conference and as ahead of the game here about Ousmane Dembele. Now Ushe this weekend or boy against Huesca into or come back. Tama 4% who say will he be fit for and I say obetumi start game nama Barca ahead of China game but Ernesto Valverde and handsome directly rather or addressing general issues or focusing more on the approach I would be game now coach BS idea now is good for the team and I say or put the team needs ahead of a single player and as an individual player. One person press conference no be about only Dembele. And say I'm focusing on the team. What and as a strategy towards the game. Into Dembele issue no one shut answer. Into press now to me whether say Dembele best start the game not now and I say you come from the bench. Now in the press conference now all can about Manchester United for former finding playing from and I say ball away former the ball side games no incredible. Now we share Ole Gunnar Solskjaer the time interim manager we say away matches or winning away matches now away matches record of about I think say 10 and above. Into these are some of the positives I want Manchester United team Barcelona for through height of the game. But Ter Stegen, Manchester Barca goalkeeper. And also I can say, although Manchester United some late resurgence we are in games. Sadio affect you, he affect you because so much Sadio no PSG. Na Barca team no enye PSG. Ball no ball different from the senior PSG for ball no. In the two different teams, but we share game now. To me, disrespecting Manchester United for more respect, but at the end of the game, say you dominated the game. I just say you manage the game, you can manage the threat of Manchester United, though, but we play our game and dominate Manchester United for at the Camp Nou. Into when one of the stories are training ahead of the game. The second story about Paul Pogba. We say the recent news about Paul Pogba and say Zidane Epeno at Real Madrid. We say Real Madrid season he and Shedan Koye to want to do rebuilding. In the summer, by into players or more person team be team team the squad. Eden Hazard, Yatin as Christian Eriksen, as Paul Pogba. But and that reports and Mamorani about the price tag Pogba so now we share the directors of Manchester United according to reports almost see Pogba the price tag 130 million pounds, but I think that this price tag and yet wrong and yet the official price tag because we share the money and I say the amount of money I already thought players are level below Pogba. I think say Pogba command this 130 million pounds. Pogba be command I think so say Sky better is 180 to 200 million pounds. I don't think say Man U for be Gino as a player, say uncle because Solskjaer Pogba as a player for Manchester United, he has been pivotal for Ole Gunnar Solskjaer. Now Pogba ni more as a player this season what improving a lot the goal scoring record into double figures in the Manchester United and Tono chips now 130 figures report quote and I think say is below. Say Man U beton Pogba it will be somewhere 180 to 200 million pounds. My next story about Manchester United for trip to Barca for and I said to Barca and I said Barcelona. There are several teams and I said there are several English teams that want to call Barca, but when they go there, say stewards and I say Crawford share supporters so no. I'm a report and I say throw a documented literature about how stewards he mistreat in the fans England, the Manchester United Supporters Trust. Manchester United Supporters Trust charity friend must I gather information surrounding English teams on trip to Barca. Say if your teams and as the English teams call Spain and Barca still was treat you year say as supporters junior supporters say when they go to Barcelona they will be handled properly into the supporters leaders of Manchester United Supporters Trust a report. Number 4 my directors of Manchester United say these are the issues on the ground. If fans call Barca Stadium the proper security measures are to support their team. Into the report to call into Manchester United and I say as a club through my directors proper measures and I say proper security measures send a fans score will be properly handled into and the uko ochina game now mebono uswe search lanes and make search lanes and say before fans be stadium no you be search you search lanes you increase and I say I increase the search lanes into e be boa say search amafo say the e be amukra bibia e be cause brutality to English fans. You best say say nyina say the to promote peace. Na obia embehwe game ne fe na obia nso enko in destination fe these are some of the measures the supporters of Manchester United, the leaders of Manchester United supporters are put in place to ensure the safety of omwanga zongo fans. And yes say omo ko radio so akoka about management performance and I say omo kan about issues I shada here but these are leaders of supporters Manchester United put in place measures ensure the fans almost safety in away games. It is really stories kakra me born from Tokrom stories, prof.
Okay, I'm an Tokrom and Michael Okai Eddie Ejai no.
It's time for foreign tidbits. The news from the world, foreign tidbits. Authentic news, foreign tidbits.
Okay, I still Asempa 94.7 FM so I'm also go so attend. See ya, we have a
Nyame adum wale boko pa.
Yeah, come on.
Nyame adum boko.
And then na de buy.
Boko ne na me hwe Ghana Afcon group na yetom no. Say this time the me person ka me betumi tua na mo na nka me so metumi som bi. Na
So saying
me som bua ma yetumi koye bibi because ya bread do. O man ya bread wa Afcon no do. De bia o mo kom si e ko jaba.
Maintain what can I say?
Me say this time tournament yo mo ba be koyi no. Se menya nka me so mebua bi e mo ma na tumi akọ boss at tournament
so bo saying say na wo de beboa
say yempa bo any directions me as a prophet you issue directions and prayer.
Okay,
Because if we are say you issue location and direction, so when your location and no direction abra no bo hu so obekosa obi nya ne direction ti o ye mag we dwadi ne cross o be presenter o be tan radio so 20 years
what the can who be a bedu da sana ba be ye ho adwuma na say
yes okay say la early this year okay say me no ye program catch say me Ghana have to 5 games okay
5 matches
yes okay pass me no can say no
me fa na no asem nya adwuma ne o ka see na be adwuma
and CC no o me ye draw ni wi no me hwade bi din na Ghana boy game against Nigeria na many enje
who say Ghana boy game against Nigeria
yes na many
sana wo si ya hu
yeah me see they me win
wo hu no da yema na say
metie for me sremo dia me hu na me kan nti woni me nya adwen a fa wo adwen na me kan me die
ne wo hu ne betia se sa na say ne wo hu na no
na it can be that say me hu bibi about who wale a besi efriu ensi so efriu ebinum ntiase in terms of prophecy okay kan Jonah chapter 3 chapter 4 ubi hu say Nyankopon na soma Jonah se kaka che ne nu say mamu wo mu 40 days mba be say o man no Jonah kokan ba eduro Nyankopon wan say o man no chapter 4 no Jonah bu fu say adendina wo Nyankopon wasoma me asedi for na mako deliver message na wanje
I fa bio na Bible mo sa say me say apart for you na die
when you read Isaiah chapter 38 Isaiah ko hin Ezekiah ho say ko kache Ezekiah so onye ne samansie no ba bi hu Ezekiah ya ade bi me so Nyankopon ani ade o ye nse osui eno bo mpa e kire rade kai nya odi papa bi o ya ma Nyankopon kai Nyankopon nu o say kai say mi be di ohene no na o ma Israel no mo soma abosom eye me na me twi o man na kom free abosom no so e de ba we rade so ohene na nka say prophet Isaiah we difu bone eno abehye me nkombone se me nko ohene na anyesa o jin komhye ni tu eno tu komhye ni so anamom
sata na computer ni ho enye
na computer no ati say me ya Jonah de okaka che ni we ni kan chapter 3 na Bible nsi ni ohene na nkasa de no jin komhye ni mu etwamu adani akomkire mamponchi ni nwan kura ya akomkire ni bi and eso Nyankopon ni Nyankopon na adani na adwene emri bebre na o Bible even ohene Ahab okoku Nabot first king Nabot oku ni ye Nyankopon soma ni di for son kan chense be bia oku Nabot the same place onu so ni moja be gu form tese onu so be hu obi ohene ni kosui osui de nsu for no pe Nyankopon adwene sesan fa nsem na ono akan no na nipa empre bebre Bible no metima ma quotation bebre ho a kire se Nyankopon aka se obeyi obi bibia nipa na ya de ma so na ni na jai inti se bibisia so difo bi kasema difo Jeremiah ewo nkomche wa hye bebre o kinkan Jeremiah ni huma na bebre empre bebre no aka ma ya bono ye chimi che no hwe no ti se de nan sei meti se Reverend Usu ba pa ko hye nkoma nkrofo ko ni nyina esi DAC but they do baby as a prophet bi hye nkoma wale ade say e pe odifo bi ne church commission but to dey be odifo bi hye nkoma ne akobi sa pastor na me church commission so for on hye prophet was born to prophesy a different shankom so different be shankom ye hia bisa another prophet be say odifo ni comment say na washen ye pemu nchechiremu ye ni bisa no na ko bisa pastor there say pastor de ono nam say on sumi no shankom nti ode ahoya ene be chechiremu nti ni ma bibiri no bible no wale nti mimi de pe ni ma mi hu ye no e fa Ghana group na ye demu ana make say kanunu mi hu say oman ni ye bobo na kuduru 5 games e ho na mi hu ye but this time we a group no and my sign come echi bi mu hwe sa numa na me bobo banka krankra na mu se en se Ghana so yekohia o ma o mu su sa green yellow na nkofo no betwa ye nti kwa be so na as a prophet ubefa ubehu sa otamfu ni kwa ubefa so obedoje na no adwuma na mesu muguso amsome ye se be ya ye betuma nya ba bia fa na o ma no so atuma kwa because a cup of nation e come as a president kwa de no agimbi se o pesa cup no 2008 former president Kufuor no Jim Sankosiaga odi no Jim semi finals na Cameroon for e shey but his group no me hwe no din a na Cameroon for ya gi group na aboso only a group no wale tie groups we me group C and me group A
ya kind na no kan Brazil de no tino sakai we
da bi tie tie ase na make a chero me say me hu group A
kasa no consider ne na no ada de no so na de atoto yo
ana me chechero ne manu
we record no so da ma futi
me hu group A group C ana be hu group E ana be hu group F
baby Ghana wo no
yes baby ade na madwene ko sa me pe o mo be din o tournament ya ebubo ntire ya madwene ne kokoko e ko sa groups na eso
we adwene ko ho
good
enye sunsum ne de ko
dabi
okay
nti madwene de me ko wie na me we say na ni groups we nu di nti na ma madwene ko sa group eno na me ko hu say sa groups ya me hu o mu ba ko na beji sa cap no
eno still awadwene ya na
sa group me we good ena me hu say sa groups ya mabo mu di o mu ba ko ena beji sa tournament no group A group C group E ena me hu group F na group C for no me hu go there that sa group C ni so ade me hu no group C na me hwe akwa kire hu se na me beti eno eye hearing say group C for no taji sa tournament we pa na so me hwe groups no teams na wo group C no adamu me say da hu on so ye
teams ya group C ye Senegal onje bida Algeria aje one time Kenya nji bida Tanzania nji bida teams ya group C ni but sisi a open powerhouse of Africa football more former sa group C teams no Kenya ni Algeria. That's what I can say.
Okay. In this group way, and I
mean, Kasa was spiritual. I'm
okay. Physically.
Good. What?
I just want to help you say, oh, game no. Me pesa me boa man hu ni man kitikiti bi a game na ba akokwe no. Ube hunu wom na hunu a say okay, we yaduwe tu ya beye, yaduwe fa ha beye, yaduwe tu si anso beye because me on say early this year me can say Ghana team nan kasa no me obi a wa she Ghana flags no odi agiye no no be dan say Ghana Black Stars ne den ka ono Onyankopon wa pam nti on ma Ghana no nkoje cup so far as oti ase gi say ne wawu o kai sa 7 panam cause the same person as no san so koyere yen sign ni ne captain me brother nipa manage no pa o Ghana ya gudi ho pa me manage no penasem bia me tisi we procurate me kama ko me hye sa nipa no na ubi so di nachi a wale na ubi sebisa me ho nse ni nyina de da wo na no nse ma o ni ma mienu se ni ma mienu a emma Ghana yentimi nge cap me kire o ba ko se nu se technical team no o mu yusu enso kala ash
what can that
good inti so there to so mienu no se say ye betimi atoda bia say udu ti si from grana de gia de be fa ti si from na oji wi am wotumi akowo wa on kakra say ye di ti be from say group no adam ye be doji this green and white color near to me akoyanim.
Okay, so in physical again, say green and white, say okay, say Nigeria. We groupings now. It is also possible say Ghana beat me share Nigeria in the second round because Ghana will group F, and Nigeria will group B, and per the parents ne be seen. Ghana this second or group F, now Nigeria so this second or group B. So 2 countries beat me share. Because we groupings now. Group B near Nigeria, Guinea, Madagascar, and Burundi. That is for Group B. And Group F, Cameroon, Ghana, Benin, Guinea-Bissau. So we have pairings for the second round now. Match number 37, 1B, we either play against 3A, 3C, or 3D. Match number 38, 2A versus 2C. Match number 39, 1A versus 3C, 3D, or 3E. Match number 40, 1C versus 3A, 3A, 3B, or 3F. Match number 41, 1D, which one team will be the first or D, no? On it, team will be the third or B, E, and F. And a match number 42, team will be the second or B, Nigeria, Guinea group, no? Any team will be the second or F, Ghana, Cameroon group, no? So if that is what you are seeing in the spiritual world, in the physical world, it is possible. The second round, the bit makes pair the pairing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Prof, on another dimension, if we are from the research dimension, group A and group C, no mutaji AFCON. We have four groups. Group A and group C, taji from the research angle. It's okay. Group C for na beti miaja from the research angle. Baki the okano.
Group say taji
AFCON. Yes. Group A and group C from a research angle. But in this trend bekosu. Because group now 6. Okay. I don't know if say trend best and I say we'll see a new group.
But you see,
group E and group F
on the physicality as well. Group A, Egypt are on the Africa ranking in terms of AFCON or F number 1. Okay. This is in the 25th appearance. We did trophy 7 times. We can host 5 times. Out of 5 now we host no me for win count. Previously we host 4 times. Yeah. Out of 4 we did 3. So the possibility to beat my defending is very high.
With your host was
yes, very high. 75% sure so beat me or group A. The other possibility is you have 12 times are North African teams are host you. Or my 7 times. So that possibility, which is also about 75% possibility, say group A team beat Maji. Okay. Then the group C factor. In fact, we are deducing the physical and tactical and scientific aspect of his spiritual stuff, and we want to marry it. You see, Mustafa, Coach Idi Kana. Me, I always say the problem with your football is our inability to marry the spiritual and the physical. No, most of the time seems no. Obe 45 no spiritually na physical no a week. Yeah. And no kwa ebe show.
Ba ku kwa
obi so be 45 no spiritually I mean physically. So me usually I don't dwell much on the spirituality. I dwell on the physicality. Then you add a little bit of spirituality to it. O share internalize any Karela. O share the physicality, the tactical, the technical, the physical, everything. Your friend saying Karela now we are superior than Intala is going to that game. So you ask yourself, say, how tactically or scientifically strong was Intala is going to that game to the extent that you blame spirituality for your defeat. So this analysis are CIA, CIA the scientific approach in the back here, it falls in line. Especially where he's saying he sees the green and white playing the Black Stars. It falls in line with the physicality and the scientific analysis. Okay. Then the group A, group C, so OS nega team okure. Yes. Okay, how our mabo AFCON. Omokwa team ko final. Every time they are projected to be one of the best in India. It falls in line. Algeria, so they are one of the best players playing around the globe. Yes. And also falls in line. So you see, so spiritual way, it's backed by scientific analysis if you do the physicality.
I said, Senegal soon team now. Team I'm going qualified towards this AFCON 2019. We matches almost 6 matches. A point of 16.
Which means I'm draw one pay.
I'm losing 2 points.
Yeah, that's what it means. They drew only one. Yes. They won 5 and drew 1. Yeah.
Yes. And 16 points out of a possible 18 points. Yeah. When you a goal difference of 10. It's just coming into the tournament. They are a team on form. Yeah. And they are one of the favorites ahead of AFCON 2019. Egypt in Group C. A favorite group. so ombeji AFCON no.
Yeah.
Okay. Sedu, GVC asem na to aso.
Me to aso no, I think say
and me ni na no. Na me stress.
Sedu nyi view asem no.
Na me stress cap na da hona ye kwakobọ na adamu minimum that's my prayer and say ye be dodge sa green and white ni atiesi ba beautiful so see to be dodge ni atiesi ba beautiful there ni ye born ni ma no
they be to dodge sa green and white na this ye di first group mu and I say di third na third no see di ni ye and no see na third ni na dangerous and the best is ye be di first ni ye be di first for group ma that means we must beat the two other teams and be able to at least draw with Cameroon. What you say? And then we beat me the first or a group. See, and the first, not the second. Yeah. Then we must pray. Say Nigeria so obey the first, no the second.
Okay.
On the group.
Mama nye juma kitu ebi. Mama Messi Tegu. Ewa umano so na enene ntwe nkomo kakra. Enwese na nema AC ekoso. Bo me yemu adwo.
Ye jawo.
Ibi ya boko de.
Nyame adom na mum me kunu di na mum fa nka me din hu na ya na ha me.
Kafra.
Tego kwaku.
Mama Messi Tego kwaku. Me da ase. Mami ubekumi o.
Ene ma no ya mo hye ye nyama ya mo so ma ye hye mo nyam ni bi.
Okay. Bibi ya boko de.
Nyame adom.
Okay. Wasanya appointment say obey Black Queens head coach. Maybe so.
Me pa try.
Oh, okay. We in Fiedro send contract na waje.
For waffle.
Okay, just for the waffle.
Yes.
Oh, okay. Na ehun hye te sen.
Ehun hye ne say you win last year. You go defend them. Me for mo ko ne go defend them.
Okay. Na we dey be ka say senka ekoko kura say we dey yi. Ye wa rekoto bana no ka so be rekura yini na chi.
Sa pepe na mum ye ni ma di fi masem nti eno no o kene masem ye nya ma otena edu ha when we get to the radio course.
Okay. Who study emano special competition e kakra so ahu.
I unfortunately me ntimi anko all the centers. Me fortunately na me so me coach team ba ko wo. Nti me side no na me show mo pa. Nti ye ni nyina na me hwe.
Okay. Na me hwe how a obe compose team no e dey akosa competition with na me dey kan e bisa say o monitor other ladies ne dia na say bia sa NC special competition for women no enso ebeboa e ma dwumadi a wudi no e be me kakra dia ma this time.
Sa pepe sa competition it was purposely organized for selection for players of players for wafu. So I say for some time me and Bobo and I am defending champions. And she said, "Then Bobola, me could defend the kappa. Players bang ye do more could defend the kappa. It's just a more organize the bima ye near to me share players are one more contain near select your me could defend the sack kappa. And she cried to me a ball wafu tournament.
Okay.
Sorry, NC tournament.
Okay. As it immediately I'm say competition end and what on Sunday affect 30 ladies bia over try no testium. Okay, internet say unya samai out of the competition no.
Okay.
But
the woman say scouting no because menya kwenya enchi regions na ye ball tournament no was ni na no. Technical directorate e wo FA Emma competent coaches na ewa other regions no escalate ewa other regions especially northern sector e bai and am so media teams am me team na ni omobobo eno so me ye me so media scouting no ho nti ode bai na e di bom we nya 68 players young na na betimi dia amaba camping at the same time na ya fa o mo dia ko wafu tournament no nti 68 players no ebi mo they are tried and tested that and ebi no so ha ebi no call under 70 ebi mo call under 20 now share born na ye born so asisi ano ehia emaiwa omuni edin etimi tumrika ewo bo mu nyansa nti ya blending new ones ne experienced ones no kakra ena yes me do maba Cape Coast ha miguso ye be so kakra mienu bia ye bo final game ne ko hwe e waka no am sport ye no na mo aba abeka ho e nya me pa e be starting a training matches enimu ya because enimre na ya hwe how best you can put them in a team or making so more fit they are able to fit into the team. They are all Ghanaians, why not?
Okay. The core of the team are on handle initially, no. And the unfanya juma we the entirely new team now building.
You go so yeah team building because they were all African games and they were your friend is saying Olympic qualifiers and so. And you know, you pay Mayo omuni brese person mo achieve bidima omomai. So what I say? And yeah, yes, board no dey 68 will be any more. But what mean for me na ma preocupe. Nti wo a strategic selection na ya no. O we musa say osuma si we osuma si we. Yes, omo ho. They've been tried and tested. If anything at all, I want you about you only fall on them. And you performance and so you only fall on them and do the substitution. So what I say? But for now, those here, I'm going to select Yaba. And see, yeah, I'm coming to work on them and see how best we can get best out of them.
Okay. My friend is a technical ensemble. No, since they I confirm more appointment into only head. Ain't for now, you
My backroom staff, no, Nana John Adakwa, Joe Adakwa. Me wo Raymond Fenny, goalkeeper trainer. And me wo Anita Redu Minta, me welfare officer. And my medical team, I'm the call wafu last year no one na maintain omo. Superintendent Kate Adimambuachi. And me wo Rosemary Efiedua Owusu, Margaret Foley. That's the technical team. And the equipment officer, former Black Queens player, Patience Kwashi. Or no, na your former Black Queens of Ghana, your first goal ever you share. Say run or equipment officer on a share.
Okay, until another one air deputy one. Okay, we dear set more could you crew another intino, Yankasabi Briana. Okay, Meadow say, no mamma moo any casa and then you so. Okay, it's Mammy Messi Tego Koku. And I think can head quick coach Edema, the senior national women's soccer team Black Queens of Ghana. Say do Papa Chini Yankwe.
Yes, I'm say Ebona Basso for time management the enemy. Ebona Basso for the an appointment onto the senior national women's team once again. Near if you feel say ka okowa for no buy and na kobeto so but me say when you that courage Emma per the FA sources. Onwa recommend say ki emfa ba share here for the embra leading but say sa decision no take here no ano oni pain for take here na anko yi am man Ghana nyina we felt saying ka ono ankasa to aswa anka it could have brought given her much more experience and going to this competition again but like we see all is still not lost. So you be encouraging, some of us are still around. Say, we are available to give her any support to ensure that she's able to defend the Wafu tournament. I think that she is one of the few female coaches around the world that lead the national female teams. Was I think 2 years ago. You see, best female coaches and a women's coach, not Georgia, not Oyebema, and among for more international football crowd complaining a lot that if you want a woman football coach,
Obian complaining. FIFA for about a Obidia here, you want to go for my class and member football. Blaster, a panic and son of a war.
That's it. So I know, so those are some of the stars. So you're very encouraging, man. So I'm going into it. I mean, move on. Mekokotoka kramiti na najimai. I think say omukuta Sonny Akubano and say they are not doing the young man any good because he should not forget say bono and sa team in there who no so mo pel okotna fie be 3 months you be forgotten and in the management they should best advise a young man say as long as he remains a secondary player he should start kicking because in the coming weeks nobody will mention his name again because of the exploits of Abdul Fattah Shafiu. He's already taking the shine out of Yakuba BM. And I don't think say Yakuba Ba he will get that shine again. His days in Kotoko have already been numbered. And I don't want to me person may prophet me declare good man. I don't want to use certain words, but the management they should wise up. I will use the word again. Wise up. Footballer the best time you saw Jina Park so. And yes, I'm watching I say them. Namuno Kotoko me say me Kotoko management. I may many because after all we have a fit and proper replacement. So why do we worry ourselves with player on you ready to play, on you ready so by share your hand and my heart my O2. The contract with House of Oak woo. But when you are foreign office no or by signing my House of Oak my house in Jessica. This is what we call player or drain the home, drain the club, drain my home. But you and your manager, I don't blame him, I blame his management. Selfishly. They want to take the ball away, not no matter what you like. I don't endorse near Georgia Mwakumbe. But based on their behavior, you want to endorse it. Because he was a nobody. Kotoko made him somebody. And now you want to feel big in Kotoko's shoes. You cannot do it. Nobody can be bigger than Kotoko, especially you're a footballer. Yes. So Kotoko should not chip in themselves. If they believe they have contract with him, they should let the contract end. No go free. Near say obey team Yabetona. Yes, obey mat na 1 year. Ask Lenya office never na. I mean, players should you want to fight for the good of players. But players should not take class for granted. They should not take class for a right. So his management should wise up. I'll do a bit on Honorable Nilan Tevadapoy. I think the only place that I'll give him thumbs up. Yeah, maybe I'll condemn on Nipa Bebrede called draw. No. I think but on that score again, I'll still come back to him because Sebi. Obey minister at least for 13 months. Start 13 months no. A summer no chato wa and can we move faso. It's not about what you say. Oh, you're a government official. Oh, you're a government appointee. It's not about the decision you personally take, because it will not be binding on anybody tomorrow. You must be able, if you want to take the decision, you must be able to take the decision that will be binding on the next generation. And in this case, he should have insisted that there was an executive fiat or executive instrument to run and guide how national teams and sports is run in this country. There should have been a legislative instrument to run and guide how sports. He did not do anything, so he has no moral right to complain if somebody does anything contrary. And let me say, football na any sports na egu eneno. E sana ni la ntemada po ni na ban twa ye no. E bia na we muto aso no. So he has no cause, he has no moral right, he has no political right, he has no technical right to blame anybody. Because Honorable Lantevanda Poi, Oba no, anka ene, you instead of fighting an institution, no, you came fighting individual. And Uncle Faber to us almost about one individual and answer question. If you had come to fight institution, I don't care or starting procedure. Say you're trying to even the registration of the GFE, you're trying to the direct Bank of Ghana. And the Bank of Ghana is not fighting, it's fighting institutions. Bank of Ghana has made it to the sense say, see, I want us out to Bank of Ghana only requested qualification, what mean that in Honorable Nilan or the legislative instrument by say yes, we wet club, we are wet but who the qualification we are ultimate rania and can you football and you say that your friends and trotro drivers in Semino. So Nilan Tevanapoy honorable, me I'm saying that he has no moral right, no political right to chastise anything wrong in Ghana sports as we speak.
And for the trotro drivers.
Oh, now say football, no football for the football. Now more do I so many football for.
Yeah, only trotro drivers.
Yes. Look of your friends no literal friends. I say me presenter. How do met now? How they trotro driver bet now? Me I'm not a presenter. If you bring me there, you have it's like putting a square peg in a round hole. Sana the person can say leave finance sports now on Abokai no. On only time over 8 years, none of the least finance sports any one person Accra. Me boy, somebody should prove me wrong. Under the NDC government, under 30 months of Nilan Tevanapoy's stewardship as a minister of youth and sports, the least finance sports, they didn't really even receive a penny. And this is what he came to meet. They didn't receive a penny. So if these people are banners or more to us, you have no cause. Because you see no near chain. They are learning from what you left off. You started attacking an individual. You wanted to crucify him, and they have come to just hit the hammer on the nail for you, the head for you. Oma you if you am out. Wrong ben on my no no. Omo say papa no mobile to aso. And your sports no ditch na come. It continues to go into the ditch. So I'm saying that as far as Ghana sports is concerned, no politician has a right to come and chastise or blame anybody because they have totally contributed to the mess of Ghana sports as it is today.
Okay. My main focus here. Why?
Sir, I'm ready. Me my church
Etel Tigo say, men can say, nice to know that some essential things do not expire. Because we are near war, and it's not making for Etel Tigo the amount. Or dial *11# *111#. Now I enjoy the data doesn't that does not expire. A bit young woman, Yama Etiam Quidama, Etel Tigo. Madama, Omna Desan shares some Quetia bar. Simba bet, I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa. Say a Sakawa Naya, Odoma, me Union, and one can say, do baby, I do a Sumba Corrini or Saint, obey you took a cardia call Edu. Nina ritual some no, and it one hand or so she may come for Simba bet the amount. Me patcho at the best odds, and I'll be between ya or Betimo with Simba bet, your virtual spouse, your dice and roll, and your spin to win. Nina a Simba bet, Omshisha, Womso Edia BJ. Found Jim now call www.simbabet.com.gh now on paying for and come. I've always told you that my bet.com phone paying for so a young one dear. Yamia Doma African Cup of Nations no one more under this supporters echo. Now in as much as I will go so a sticky bets no or stand a chance of being a draw a bit bois near power. Now I can't hear Egypt no. Yamia Doma share Egypt wati. Now aside you may April 28 and a bit banaway the bet we and a design shares some creative by cabet we are for the love of the game. What is me bought a year chacha who do ra. Yes, be a me pechacha no more good in who don't tea. Ana ijina so edisa de rui etimi ba se bia so be hu nia ekoso e woye mamu men kan preview messages bi ansa ne asore so we just 1 minute to do this e wo hanom mama for be na de message aba na Mr. German e wo eye o US o say masa are we in church and then koma ono so edi aba oko eye Atlanta e wo Georgia o aje se mo bo adwuma pa ono so bisa TC and can Obisa say you are sure the man. Good evening, Wallace. The truth about spiritual side of football depends on the team. Adequate spiritual and physical preparation. You can sometimes see the favorite teams to win, but others can work hard to retrieve their glory. Morocco is the favorite to win per my spiritual observation from Reverend Prophet Thomas Ofosu of Tema branch of Ablaze and on the Sankumui Abidjan. Champion Wale, my regards to Sia Kokujan, Justice Kwabena J. Dibala of Akosumu branch and on also Eddie Abba Ewaha. Message Simbibrina and Ebo. We say good evening, Prof. What Sia is saying is true. Prophecy are meant for corrections to warn the people to repent. If they do not and obey God, God can rescind his decisions. Evangelist Felix and Odiwe Abba. Hi Wallace, tell Sia to stop what he is saying. I'm Samir from Ashaman. Onosone koma Odiaba no. Uncle Fee, Madam Baku, United States of America, Uncle Fee etie. But I bet Kruma, Uncle Fee. Text messages here every single day. Be Breme. Uncle Fee, fantastic evening. Come so Uncle Fee tia chiro babies are. And I feel me some day na Andre Sewabus or a pharmacist. Or also say Otie Jumedian Wale. Unia Ofia Buchaba Yaman. Welcome back to Ghana. Prof, this is Zico from Nungwa. Thanks for making Sia what he said about the World Cup and only as some will be so Ediaba. Hey, Sia again. Football is different too. This thing doesn't work nowadays in football. And then some will be Ediaba. Now, thank you from Connecticut. While I still Sia to stay in his Achimota forest and leave our blasters for us. Why? And then Koma will be Ediaba. Madam Vue Soja, on also about WO Usuecha, on also the message Abba. And me, I do my very cinema ABC comedy Bessia. Na Madam Winase, with D4 Combinativia is coming up next. Na in common bed, Benji, and me, I do my best idea which and Sato. So my presentations on Sundays, no, Yamia Doma, come my joyonline.com. Jaicha Chamodi Nadama or the publications nego say kama obenye bia kenkan na also odi ashe okutu dwem nyame adoma also additions bi subtractions bi so between their brain ye kwedie see abo na mana ne so
my number is 020 722 9946
okay
020 722 9946 ochina Tuesday anopa
okay
me watch motor for 7 to 12 o'clock
okay Inti yejesia na mosquito I ready one ho odi for community wi ne nkofo so aba so ho awesen ne ma esie koso mo ho keka ne kosoro ana meboa bo metimi a hyɛ nkom o gina machi kra but metimi de matiko e de matiko ahwew na ma hyɛ nkom because o hwese ne mesiko so a sɛ nyesi kan ka mo bepi ha ya na meboa mosquito we a hard guy enti odi for community wi ana aba a odi dwumadi e beti ansa to aso de brain o te right am nyomo nka na afei mota kwameja kwa champon ana afei Kobe the scavenger all the wonderful members of the crew women team attach bedu sample so midin the Enoch Kwasi Walanyo Wallace agudi catch back up na gifty anti there ha obesane odi for community wi amoso e de atoa so madam say moya so ti se dwumadi the act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.